The 2015 Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for, from any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, front-wheel drive, day-night rear-view mirror, black door handles, 4-piece floor mat set, low tire pressure warning. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.